Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2025 Subaru Crosstrek. Come along for a tour of this safe and connected Subaru Crosstrek. This all-wheel drive compact crossover gives you the advantages of an SUV, but drives like a comfortable sedan. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: sun, moonroof, keyless entry, heated front seat, heated mirrors, backup camera, satellite radio, fog lamps, aluminum wheels, power driver seat. Get the features you want at an affordable price in this well-appointed Crosstrek. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.